Hey guys, Discord is a fantastic app for gamers, but sometimes you need to log out all of your devices for some security or some other reason. So in this video I'll show you how to log out of all of the devices on Discord by using the mobile app. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up the Discord mobile application, and here you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of the Discord mobile. If you are not using, then you simply have to upgrade your Discord app version through the Play Store or App Store. So after that, you simply have to open up the Discord mobile application. Here you simply have to click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then here you can see the option of devices. You simply have to click on this, and after that Discord will show all of the devices on which your account has been logged in. And here if you see any of the unknown device and you want to log out of it, you simply have to scroll down, and here you can see the option of log out all unknown devices. You simply have to click on this, and after that here you have to enter your password. After entering the password, you simply have to click on next, and it will log out all of the devices except the one which you are using. Okay, so guys, this was the easiest and quick way to log out all of the devices by using the Discord mobile. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.